My sister.
I would walk 10 miles on my hands and knees. Ain't no doubt about it, baby, it's you I aim to please. I wrestle with the lion and the grizzly bear. It's my life, baby, but I don't care. Ain't that tough enough? Ain't that tough enough? Ain't that tough enough? Ain't that tough enough? Oh, you, baby, I would swim the sea. Nothing I do for you that's too tough for me. I put out a burning building with a shovel and dirt, and not even worry about getting hurt. Ain't that tough enough? Ain't that tough enough? Ain't that tough enough?
Y'all pretty ladies around the world got a weird thing to show you, so tell all the boys and girls. Tell your brother, your sister, and your mama too. We're about to go down, and you know just what to do. Wave your hands in the air like you don't care. Glide by the people as they start to look and stare. Do your dance, do your dance, do your dance quick, mom. Now come on, baby, tell me what's the word, a word up. Everybody say, when you hear that call, you got to get it underway. Word up. It's the code word. No matter where you say it, you know that you'll be heard. Now all you sucker DJs who think quick one.
Hey, hey. Shawty got that super thing, hot in the sun in the south of Spain. Got me soon as I walk through the door. Oh, my pockets started tickling, the way she drop it low that thing got me wanna spend my money on her. She get it poppin', lock it, drop it, that birthday cake. Got a candle, need to blow that crazy flame away. I take my red, black card and my jewelry. Shawty is cool like the fire, cool like fire. Somebody call 911. Shawty fire burning on the dance floor. Whoa, I gotta cool her down. She won't bring the
Baby, close your eyes and listen to the music. Dig to the summer breeze. It's a groovy night and I can show you how to use it. And come along with me and put your mind at ease. Less conversation, a little more action. All this aggravation ain't satisfaction in me. A little more start talking. Grab your coat and let's start walking. Come on, 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 come on. Don't procrastinate, don't articulate, girl, let's get playing. You separate right. Yeah, a little less conversation, a little more action. All this aggravation is satisfaction in me. A little more right, a little less fun, a little less time, a little more stuff. Shut your mouth, open up your heart. It'll satisfy me. It'll satisfy me.
Knock it out. Super highways, coast to coast, easy to get anywhere. On the transcontinental overload, just fly behind the wheel. How does it feel when there's no destination? That's too far, and somewhere on the way you might find out who you are. Living in America, eye to eye, station to station. Living in America, hand to hand across the nation. So nice with your bad self. I feel good.
Don't even know how I survive. I won't make it to the shore without your light. No, I don't even know if I'm alive. Oh, without you now, this is what it feels like. And I don't even know how I survive. I wanna make it down the road with one headline. No, I don't even know if I'm alive. Oh, without you now, this is what it feels like.
So long I've been waiting for someone that can satisfy my craving. You make me feel like it's all amazing. The type of guy that's got my eyes gazing. Turn it up, baby, give me some more.